SparkBC Hot Topics. My name is Erin. I'm the owner of SparkBC, and with me today are two of our fantastic team members. We've got Ted Gilbert from the interior. Hey, Ted, how's it going?
Hey, Erin, how you doing? Hi, everybody out there.
Nice to see you again. We've got Dave Chevalier from Chilliwack, of course. Hey, Dave.
Hi, Erin. Hi, Ted.
Hey, Dave, how's it going?
Good, you?
Good to see you again. Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm not really in Palm Springs, but as always, I wish I was. It's still kind of cool up here for golf, you know.
I still got to get out on the golf course. I don't know what's wrong with me this year. I got to do it. I hit the range the other day, but that was it. It didn't look good. I'm going to tell you that. It did not look good.
Work-life balance, you know, it's much easier when you're retired and do this for fun.
All right, so what do we got on the docket today?
Well, if you will give me sharing capabilities, I will put up a picture of a job that was from you disabled my screen sharing.
I did?
Yes. Now you're gonna have to edit this out.
It's going so well, guys.
Edit what out, Ted?
Do you want to start over?
No, go for it.
All right. Here's a picture of a contractor's rewire job on a big old house. This was in on the Vancouver Island, and I'll show you a better picture of that, but here's what he thought he could do. That's old knob and tube in this place, and he left in the old 3 1/4 inch pan box, cut out the knob and tube, and then fished the new NMD90 cable in and did quite the job of grounding the box there. So it's an automatic fail. Dave, you on board with me on that?
Oh, absolutely. Anytime you're dealing with knob and tube rewires, then, you know, boxes usually have to change too.
Oh, absolutely. And in this case, I mean, let's have a quick look at the rules, remind everybody what this looks like. It's rule 12-3022, entrance of cables into boxes, cabinets, and fittings. And sub rule 3, where non-metallic sheath cable or tray cable enters a box, cabinet, fitting, a box connector, either as a separate device, like a 4060 designed for use with such cable, or as part of the box, so a built-in clamp, shall be used to secure the cable in place adequately and without damage to the cable jacket or conductor insulation. Let's go back to this quality picture. So you can see he just poked it in through the edge of the old knob and tube filler here and didn't even attempt to do some kind of bonding of the box at all here. I mean, if it had been an acceptable older box, he could have put a knockout in it, drilled and tapped a bonding screw, and I probably would have accepted it then, because if it's got a good solid bonding connection and it's got a cable connector, I would have accepted this, but he didn't even come close on this. Dave, you in agreement?
I absolutely am, because it's the bonding conductor is just wrapped around. So there's really no provision for bonding at all.
Yeah, it's wrapped around some heavily painted surface. There's no, as you said, there's no bonding at all on this. So guys, just a heads up. I know you don't like to mess with the lath and plaster, but sometimes you just got to do it. It's got to be right. It's got to be the code. It's not going to pass. And now you're going to have to come back and tell your customer that, yeah, you're going to have to take down all these ceiling fixtures and cut the box out and make maybe a mess of his plaster. Now, you know what, they usually, I found clients don't mind it the first time, but when the house is now supposedly finished and you come back and you got to make a mess, they really don't like it too much. And it's pretty hard to charge them twice for that. Anyways, I'll put it back to Erin. Thanks, Erin. We'll talk to you again on another great hot topic.
Sounds good. Thanks, Dave. Thanks, Ted. And as always, if you have any comments, comment down below and or send us an email at info@sparkbc.ca. See you guys next time.
Okay, see y'all.
Bye.